vlog hindi ba? Vlog kami na.
Kom in de vlog, joh.
30?
Is nu klaar. Laten we gewoon een reuk allemaal dode gemaakt.
We waren wel om half klaar. Yes, Benny.
Yes, Jennifer.
So how are you experiencing Curaçao?
Porque Curaçao es preparado,
No. Pero di ko, mami, that's your bonta.
Kijk, dan kun je pikken.
Hi amiga, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you do not recognize the back behind me because I am at an hotel near Schiphol in the Netherlands. Tomorrow we are going to Curaçao. Finally! Woo! Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Are you excited?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. We just had our food. We just came from Belgium with the train. The train ride was crazy though. It was so busy. But today is Easter Monday, so maybe, you know, like a lot of school vacations are ending and maybe people are going back home. I don't know exactly what the reason is behind it, but it was crazy busy. I even like had like a little argument with a lady on the train because she told me to move, like go stand there so I have more space, and I was like, where do you want me to go? I got so irritated because it was literally so
Star! They were fighting, amigas. I had to break them up.
Yeah, I was so annoyed because I was just like, where do you want me to go? Huh? You go. And then I just like shoved my suitcase and I was like, you go. And then she was like, sorry, I just asked. Okay, it was just a question. Chill. And then I felt so bad because I was so excited the whole day and I didn't anticipate the situation on the train being that crazy. So it just put me in a bad mood. I hate like getting out of character for certain things like this, you know? So I ended up apologizing to her and tell her like, yo, sorry, I'm normally not like this, but I'm really hot. I'm trying to not pass out, you know? Anyways, enough of that. And now we're just gonna chill out, maybe watch a movie and then sleep early because we need to leave early for the airport. But yeah, welcome to the Curaçao vlogs. I am excited, I'm happy.
Curaçao Chronicles.
Hey, the Curaçao Chronicles, the Curaçao shenanigans. Hey, yeah. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications to be notified whenever I upload the vlogs. Because you do not want to miss out on these vlogs. I wouldn't want to miss out on these vlogs. Like, come on. Good morning, amiga. As you can see, we are at the airport. We already checked in our bags. We passed customs, everything. We're just now sitting here watching airplanes. And yeah, waiting for the time to board our flight. But it's happening. We're going. We're on our way. I'm really excited. I have nothing really to say, but just really excited for this trip. It's been a long time coming. Hey amiga, I ran into another amiga. Hi! What is there? Amiga, we are here. We are on the island. I look a little rough. Benny, welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, my mom and my stepdad came to pick us up. And now we're going to our apartment. Ma, vlog niet, maar vlog kami.
Kom ik in je vlog, joh?
Hey amiga, I hope you can see me. We went to the apartment and we took a shower, freshed up and everything, and now we are at Scampi's. We already ordered our food, and when the food gets here I will film, but I am here with Mama, Aita, and Benny.
Benny Ari. Maxima.
Good morning, amiga. It is day 1. Yesterday I was so tired. Like the flight and everything, but everything went well. I was just super tired, jet lagged and everything, but now it is 6:30, I think. Like, let me see what time it is. No, it's almost 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock almost, and I'm now gonna go to my mom to have some tea. She's in the apartment next to me, but I'm so happy to be here. Benny is having a great time. He felt really welcome and he is just enjoying. He had a great time so far, so I'm really happy about that. That's the mission and that's the goal. So yeah, really happy. And today I think we're gonna go to the beach, but I'm gonna go to my mom now to talk about the game plan for the day and see what we're gonna do. But I'm really happy. I'm really happy to be here. It feels so great to be home. Yesterday when the plane landed, I literally cried for a few seconds because it just felt so good to be back home. And Betty was like, don't fucking start. And I was like, okay, let me get it together. There's no reason to be crying, but I'm just emotional like that. Leave me alone. Here, I was born. We are now at Mambo Beach and we're gonna take our first swim of the day. No, of the whole vacation actually. But yeah, we're at Mambo Beach. Look at how beautiful this is. Like, look at this. Good. I hope you can hear me. This is the life. This is the life, my amigas. Hey amiga, we finished swimming and now we are sitting outside at Mambo waiting for my mom. She will be here any minute, so it was super nice to be in the water and to swim. It was really nice, and I have a healthy tan as you can see already, so that went fast. That went really fast. And Benny is up here filming. I don't know what he's filming, but yeah. And I think right now we're gonna go to somewhere to find some food for lunch because it's now, we didn't have lunch yet, so I think that's what we're gonna do now.
Fries.
We had fries. Are you hungry though? No? Ik ook niet eigenlijk. Hi amiga, it's now quite a bit later and my mom and I, hey mama.
Hi.
My mom and I are wrapping goodie bags for my meet and greet. So I thought I would show you how they look. These are the goodie bags. They're so cute. We shipped everything from the Netherlands to here. This first we have the bag, we put in paper. And I wanted it to be like a self-care package. Then we put in a shower gel, a body lotion, and then a bag of candy, some like perfume testers, and then the bag closes. And we put one of these bags on top. It also has like a cookie, like 2 cookies, and like some Easter eggs in it. Really cute. Good morning, amiga. It is officially day 2 and we are gonna leave now. We're gonna leave the house or the apartment and we're gonna go to breakfast first, and then after that I think we're gonna discover the city. My mom has a funeral to attend at 1 today and it's now 8:30.
Is niet klaar, dan doe gewoon de reut amateur. Doe je gemaakt.
Maar ja, dat is we waren wel om half klaar.
We waren wel om half klaar, maar goed. In ieder geval, or anyways. So yeah, today Benny and I are gonna discover the city. My mom has a funeral to attend at 1. And then after that, she will meet us in the city, or we're gonna go alone to the Plaza Biel to have a lunch. Because I wanna let Benny meet like the culture, the foods and all of that, like the Antillean cuisine. It's time for that. So yeah, that's that. Let's go. Day 2 officially. Or kinda day 3, but we arrived on day 1. So yeah, anyways. Let's go. We are now at the plaza, I don't know, the market, the daily market. And we're now gonna walk in here. And after this, I think we're gonna go to the Plaza Biel. And there's where you can have all the food, the local foods and stuff. So yeah, let's go to Plaza. Hey douchie! Contact douchie! Jij bent de douchie. amiga, we are now at the Plaza Biel. We are gonna eat at Yvonne's kitchen. Yvonne herself is sitting there at the table with my mom because my mom knows everyone. But let me show you her little stand. So this is the place to be, Yvonne's Plaza. And here you can see what they have for the day. So this is the menu of the day. And here is the kitchen. Look at all the delicious foods. Okay, so Yvonne's Plaza. Yvonne's Plaza. That is the place to be. I will let you know when the food gets here so you can see how it looks. See. Look, there we have Mama and Yvonne, but it's backlighted. Yvonne, hey! See, she's the owner. Okay. That's Yvonne.
Ja, zie piep snijden. Kan je alsjeblieft voor ons snijden en serveren? Thank you.
No.
Hi amigas, this is Ben talking to you, and we are enjoying ourselves from Curaçao. I'm having a little soda.
Hola.
Shut up. This is Shamaritas.
Hi.
Wat heb je gegeten vandaag, Shamaritas?
Rabo de vaca, Comoro.
Komoro. Okay,
What did you eat?
don't worry about what I eat. That is Eitel washing the car. And you know who that is?
That's Amiga.
It's not Amiga.
It is Amiga.
It's Queen Amiga.
Maxima amiga.
Maxima Amiga. Look at her. Wat heb jij gegeten?
Fish.
What for fish?
I ate rat snapper with moro.
What is moro?
Salad. Moro is rice with beans. And I also had pica, baked plantain. It was delicious, and it also sent me into a food coma right after. I just woke
Jennyfer,
up from it.
After how many years you're back in Curaçao?
6 years.
And how does it feel to be back, Jennifer?
Amazing.
But you were nearly dead yesterday.
That is true, because I underestimated the sun, so I got a very, very bad sunburn, as you can see. So yeah, shit happens.
YouTube is gonna remove your, it's gonna demonetize you.
Why I didn't show my tits?
You nearly did.
No, I didn't.
So, amigas, Shomaritas has some bread here for us, and Jennifer is gonna cut it and serve us. Toch, Shomaritas? Alright. Say bye to the amigas.
Bye, amiga.
Oké, kom. Broodje snijden. Laat de amigas zien hoe je broodjes snijdt. Een snijplank halen.
Snijplank? Waar joh? Een snijplank joh. Wil jij dit eten?
Ik wil een stuk, ja.
Oké.
Shamaritas wil ook een stuk.
Shamaritas wil niet.
Nee, ik heb net gegeten.
Wat ga jij eten?
Ik ga niks eten nu hoor.
Nou, waarom willen jullie mij vetmesten? Ik ben goed om dik te worden.
Maar wil je of niet?
Geef maar een klein stukje.
Zo?
Ja. Is het koud, ne?
Weet je, het was in de koelkast. Anders gaan de mieren er vandoor ermee.
Heeft het vulling? Dat stukje wat je me gaat geven? Oké.
Wil je vulling?
Ja. Thank
Dat is
you.
een vetje erin, dat is niet netjes.
Thank you, Jenny.
So amiga, I thought I would give you like a little recap of everything that has been going on. We had our second day today. It was like very slow so far. We went to Punda. We first went to Libanesa for some bread this morning. It was just like some bread with ham and egg, I believe. And then after that we went to Punda. We went to the market, as you saw. Like it is split into two. You have the part where you can eat, like a food court, the Plaza Biel. We went to Yvonne's kitchen, and her food was really, really, really amazing. We also did like a small walk in Punda, but I know that we didn't see everything, so we need to go back for that. But after the food, I was just wiped out. And yesterday I had a very, very bad sunburn, like you can see here. Oh, that shit has been bothering me a little bit. I underestimated it. So yeah, so far the vacation has been great. It's just like I feel a little jet lagged. I'm up very, very early, and I also feel like sleepy very, very early. So hopefully that goes away quick, because time is limited, you know. Time is limited here. We are not here for very long.
Oh yeah.
But we're having a great time. It was very important to me that Benny also is having a great time, and he is. He's really enjoying himself. Every time we are in the car, he is just looking everywhere, smiling, and like there's a lot of resemblance from Suriname also, and he's always pointing it out. So it's really, really fun to see. You know, he is close to home, but also far from home right now. So yeah, a little bit bittersweet, but at the same time, really nice.
Yes, Jenny.
Yes, Benny.
Water daar voor mijn Jennifer pak aan.
Okay. Here you go, Shumaritas.
Yes, Benny.
Yes, Jennifer.
So how are you experiencing Curaçao?
Porque Curaçao é preparado,
No, começar. Tell us from the moment you stepped out of the plane how it was.
It was nice.
Yeah?
The airport, I like the airport. And,
What do you like about the airport?
it's very modern.
Modern, yeah.
Yes, it's very modern. It's really, you really get the feeling that it's an international airport. Yes. And the service was also great. Like,
The customs service?
yeah,
Of immigration, the immigration.
everything.
Yeah.
The girls who told you to follow what line.
Yeah.
We got our luggage quickly. It was easy to find your way around. You don't have to walk a lot. And the first thing coming out of the airport was like the view.
Yeah.
To see the hills in front of you.
With all the
And,
cactus.
Yes, that was nice.
Cactus tree. Yeah.
So
Okay.
that was the first impression.
That was the first impression. And then the apartment where we're staying.
It's nice.
Really nice, huh? You like the neighborhood?
I like the neighborhood. Like, you know the first thing that I liked, right?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. The cactus tree.
No, from this neighborhood.
The houses?
No,
The sea.
no, this neighborhood.
What is the first thing you liked about it? Oh, the hill. Yeah, the hill there.
And
Yeah.
the back there is also nice.
Yeah.
Yes, I like the surrounding
Yeah.
areas.
And what do you think about-
The apartment is also very nice.
Very-
It's well taken care of.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's for two person. It's great.
Great. Yeah. And how do you like the people?
The people are very friendly.
Yeah.
The only thing is that I'm sad about, because it's actually my fault, is that I can't really understand them, and yeah.
That's the only thing.
Because they are really friendly, because everywhere where they step in, they really say like hello, but everybody, everybody says something else. So
Well, maybe I
but they are
should.
very friendly.
Yeah, I should teach you like the basics, like bon dia, bon tardi, and bon noche.
I know those.
I know, yeah, but most of the time it's one of those.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, one of those that they say. A stranger is not gonna like start a random conversation.
I told us.
Well, the Eitel zit ook op zijn conversation.
Shumaritas also does that.
Yeah, but that's people. They know everyone. They know a lot of people.
You tell me. Eitel knows everybody he's talking to.
Yeah.
Hoe bedoel je na joh?
Ora ene nang ko Eitel da komida tapos eu conhecendo toch? He knows all the people that he's talking to. I swear.
Shumaritas ook.
Yes.
Jij denkt ik praat gewoon zomaar met de mensen. Zonder teken.
Shumaritas.
The lady when we came out of the lingerie store.
Nee, die kende ze.
Okay, which one? The lady that sold like the little sugar cookies.
Yes, do you know her?
Es un cabimene no stenta la era.
Ja. De moeder van dat meisje is vriendin van mijn moeder. Vroeger, we kwamen heel veel bij Bokken Sami. Alle mensen die ik praat, allemaal die ik...
Ze gaat niet zomaar random met
Gisteren
mensen.
waren we bij een broodje saap.
Ja?
Er was een man met blauw daar.
Dan zal bij een broodje zakken.
Aitel sprak met haar.
Aha.
Aitel kent haar.
Aitel kent het, ja.
Want dat is Aitelse buurt, waar Aitel is opgegroeid.
Nee, de Portugees.
Ja,
Aitel
die daar staat.
en de hoekie.
Ja.
De kruk, ja. En Aitel kent hem.
Burgemeester van nu.
Beste burgemeester en gouverneur.
En Aitel noem ik gemeente. Kransje.
Dan ben jij baas van die gemeente.
Aitel is een deel van de gemeente.
Jullie samen maken één gemeente.
Ja.
Mijn buurvrouw in Hellevoet zei altijd, ze wil met me nergens naartoe. Want overal je moet praten met mensen. Stop praten, stop praten, stop praten.
Xoxo? Oké.
Ik weet niet.
Ja, je weet niks. Je weet niks.
Ik ken heel veel mensen, hè. Daarom. Ben je vroeger, toen ik was zwanger van Jennyfer, ik werk in de kantoor, verkoop loten. Weet je hoeveel mensen komen bij mij?
Oh ja, loten. Chamaritas, was ze lief in je buik?
Nee, joh, lief.
Hè? Terrorist.
Terrorist. Ik was 2 keer naar de ziekenhuis van
I know
EHBO.
I know.
Wat ik denk, de kind gaat.
Kijk, hier.
Ben jij wel?
Ik word klaar.
See amigas, she nearly lost y'all.
Oeps. Eeuw. Oepsies.
Aha, Ben. Ik ben heel veel mensen.
Je bent 2 keer in EHBO beland. Omdat Jennyfer tekeer ging in je buik. Wat wilde
Weet je niet wat?
wat wilde ze op aarde komen zoeken?
Ik had genoeg ervan.
Benayo.
So I'm here with my sister-in-law. This is Barbary. Cheers, Amiga. Cheers.
Welkom naar Curaçao, Jenny.
Thank you so much.
Dat zullen echt goed komen.
Maritas, zolang het niet over mij gaat, bemoei ik niet.
Precies, dus dat is echt goed hoor.
Pero di ko, mami, that's your bonta.
Ze filmt ja.
Hé, kid, ik ben heel erg aan. Maar je denkt, je quebra capa,
Zeg maar, er zit in mijn party favoriet. Ik hoor dat het een zonde is. Ik ben zo niet op hier en het aan me. Het is gewoon,
Pero mami, that's your bonta op TikTok.
zie.
En dan papi maar op Hey amiga, it is still the same day though. We were at my mom's little apartment just next door, and my
Little, it's the same as ours.
oh, okay, this is the apartment of my mom next door, and we were just having wine. My stepbrother came by with his wife and his baby, and then they said that they were going to the Truckipang, which is a food truck. And I want to go to a food truck. Benny needs to experience a food truck. So now we're going to a food truck.
Did you use perfume?
Yes, I did. Because I want to smell good. So yeah, we're now going to the food truck. I thought it would be nice to bring you guys. So let's go, amiga. Let's go to the food truck. Here we are at the food truck. It is called Ken Amandabo Purbe, which means who told you to try it, because when you try it you want to come back for more. So yeah, amiga, let's go see what they have on the menu and order. This is the menu.
The police would have one actually.
Wat gaat ze met de zonnebril? Wat gaat ze met de zonnebril?
Let me break it on the bill.
Nee.
Alright, amiga, we are back home and we're now gonna try the sandwiches and tell you what we think.
Are we gonna say what we have?
Yes. I have the conch sandwich, which conch is carco.
What is carco?
Carco is like, it's fish,
Ah, okay.
like in a shell.
I have pork chop, right?
Yeah, pork chops. They're so good. Can't see anything, I think. According to the locals, this is one of the best food trucks.
Okay. So you go here after the club.
And you can buy a sandwich or a whole meal if you're hungry. And then, or soup. And then after that you go home. We also have drinks.
The club open now? Are the club open now?
The clubs are open, but just not, they don't have as much people coming as before, so.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a cherry criolita and also a banana criolita. It's just, how do you say that? Like a soft drink. Really delicious. Which one do you want? Do you want the cherry or the banana? Cherry? Cherry is the, no, in soup. We used to have like the red cola-ish. It's kind of compared to that. I didn't think I could finish this, but I think I'm going to. It's not overwhelmingly a lot. Anyways, peace out, Amiga. Talk to you in the morning. Goodbye, Benny.
Bye, Amiga.